Most important way to start every party, a cheese board. Everybody loves cheese, and it's a good way to get it going, and it's easy to do. What you have to keep in mind is, how many people are you actually serving? How many people are coming over? A smaller group, you do very well with a smaller board, something long, thin, dark. Cheese is going to look lovely on this. Or with a larger group, a bigger board. Kind of makes sense. Also, cheese knives. You need something for the hard cheese, the soft cheese, the spreadable cheeses. I love these because you can cut and pick up the piece all at the same time. And don't forget, when you're going around your travels and in beautiful stores that you find really pretty things, pick up those fun little bowls because they will always work for olives, nuts, honey on your cheese board. And with these, you got a party.